There's no one way. God is unlimited. He has unlimited forms, unlimited names, unlimited dhammams, unlimited expressions, unlimited capacity to love, unlimited numbers of jivas. So you can't restrict, only you can love Krishna this way, and only this way will bring you to Krishna. This is a very narrow view of the Absolute. There's a wide spectrum view of the Absolute and the narrow. We have to be able to synthesize and understand what is the actual underlying reality and not be confused or bewildered by some smokescreen of misconception. Smokescreen of misconception can delude us into losing the essence of our identity, or what is the actual meaning of bhakti. Bhakti is a personal flow of love from the Atma to the Paramatma. How it expresses itself in numerous ways. There are some particular groups and missions that have one particular mindset, and they emphasize one aspect of the whole spectrum, color spectrum, infrared to ultraviolet. There's lots of color bands in there, thousands of color bands in between. So to only emphasize purple, and what about all the other colors? So that some emphasize, Harinam Sankirtan. You can't argue, but if the shoe doesn't fit, you can't wear it. Some people love to chant, so they chant. One man's food is one man's best food, another man's not so best food, to use your term, best. So, chant, you should chant. Do you like? So someone is pushing their thing. You should chant. Yes, I agree in Shastra we should chant. So you're chanting? Yes. You like chanting? Yes. So what about me? Why don't you ask me? Are you chanting? Not so much. Do you like chanting? No. Oh, you're no good. You're useless. So I have no value in Krishna's eyes. I am a useless servitor. I have no position. I have no standing. I will not be accepted. I will not be given love of God. Will I be counted out? Will I be restricted? No, it's not like that. We say God. Why we grew up as Catholics, Christians. I say God, infinite love. These are common terms. God is love, infinite consciousness. We agree fully. So how can you make the infinite finite by your misconception? You're taking the absolute infinite conceptions and the infinite aspects of the infinity of God and trying to say, God is only restricted to this way. Someone may walk around just thinking of God day and night. No kantimala, no tilak, jeans, t-shirt. But he's thinking of God. He knows what he's thinking. Bhagavan Paramatma knows what he's thinking. The Devatas know what he's thinking. That thinking will give him perfection. That thinking will give him darshan of Krishna. Just by thinking, Manmana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi satyamte pratijane priyosime. Krishna's telling twice in Gita, 934 and 1865, whatever. Think of me! Usually we're busy thinking of me. me is thinking of me, and you is thinking of you. And neither one of us is thinking of him, or her, or Krishna, or Radha. We think. We all do a lot of thinking. Maybe too much. And not about Krishna. That's the downline. That's the down.